All right. We want to work on sketching of isometric objects, and this will be the second question that I will be solving. So looking at what we have here, though nothing is written on the board, right, I'm going to explain that these orthographic views are given in first angle projection. So remember that the first one that I did, the views were given in third angle projection, but these ones are given in first angle projection. But the only thing that I put here which is not correct, I will tell you because you need to know, is this view that we have here. This view that we have here is the right hand end view or the right side end view. So normally it's not supposed to be in this place. I should have put it behind the front elevation because this is the front elevation or the front view of this object. This is the plan. This is the plan, and this is the right side view. They are supposed to be on the left side if it is properly drawn, but the front view and the plan are in their right positions, while this one is not supposed to be here, supposed to be at back there. We are supposed to have the left end elevation on this side, but don't worry, the problem can still be solved, so you don't have to be panic. All right, we want to make an isometric view of this object. Most orthographic views are given in first angle projection. So what we have to do, we have three things to put together. So we have to put this base, so we need it, and then this L shape, we need it. Then we need to put this web. This is this. When you see something like this, we call it a web. So this is its plan. This is the front elevation of the web. So just look at the way I'm going to do it. So what you need to do, as I said in the previous example on sketching of isometric object, is that you need to draw the principal projection plane as an horizontal line. We are sketching, so we are not making use of ruler. So we are sketching it. Then put a dot here. Put a dot here. This is the lowest point. This is the lowest point. So whenever the lowest point is mentioned, so the lowest point is a place where you put what? Where you put the dot, and then I'm going to put X here. So as you can see, then take your protractor. Take your protractor, put at this point and draw out angle 30 degree or measure angle 30 degree to the left. So to the left. So let's say you have it at this point. Then 30 degree to the right. So let's say you have it at, they'll be at the same point with your protractor. They'll be at the same point. Then you take, so draw a line like this. So it may not be here. And then, so you draw a line. So the line goes in this direction. So, okay, so the line goes in this direction. And we also have this in this direction. So they are both inclined at an angle 30 degree to this horizontal projection plane. So the next is draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line like this. So draw a vertical line. So look at what we have here. So we want to produce, let's produce this base for, then we produce this front elevation. So let's produce the base. So the distance from here to here, the total distance from here to here is 60 millimeters. So you take your ruler. Take your ruler. These lines that I've drawn, they are drawn free-handed. So take a ruler and take a measurement of 60 millimeters from here to here. Okay, so here we have 60 millimeters. So at this point, draw a vertical line like this. So draw a vertical line like this. Okay, then from here to here, is 50 millimeters. So take a measurement of 50 millimeters from here to here, and then produce a short vertical line. A short vertical line as we have done here. So then we have the distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. So take a measurement of 10 millimeters from here to here, and with your ruler. So you are not to draw the lines with your ruler, so but you can take a measurement with the use of your ruler. So then you sketch, you draw this line. So take this line to the right side. So take the line to the right side. So if the line is not straight, you can clean it. So that's why you need to have your eraser with you. So actually we do freehand sketching with three things: the drawing paper, the pencil, and our eraser. So those are the materials that we use for the sketching of objects in technical drawing. Okay, then so we have the distance from here to here is 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters. But before that, so take a measurement. We have that from here. So from here to here. So that's the distance that we have here, which is 70 millimeters. So take a measurement of 70 millimeters with your ruler on this line. So here we have 70. So let's say we have 70 here. So project this line. So project it here. So the distance from here to here, which is equal to distance from here to here, is 10 millimeters. So take a measurement of 10 millimeters to here and draw a line down in this direction. Just look at the way I'm doing it. So draw a line down like this. So draw a line down. Then, so produce this. So let this go backward. Okay, then also, so this line, so let it go in this direction. So distance from here to here is equal to 50 millimeters from here to here. Okay, so then, so take a measurement or take this line. So draw a line that is parallel to this line. So draw it to this side, and then at this point, draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this. Okay, then so take this line, so take it to this side. So you have to be watching what you are doing, so that the end you won't have something that looks somehow. So this line is not straight. So make sure you are watching it. All right. So then, so I take this line to this side, and I'll join this with it. All right, so so the next thing that I need to put here is the web. So I've produced this base. So I've produced this rectangle, and then I've produced this this part, or this rectangle. I've produced it, and also I've produced it, but I've not drawn this shape that we have here. This rectangle is for the web. So when you are looking at the web in this direction, you see a rectangle as an orthographic view, and then when you are looking at it from the top, you see this rectangle from the top as its plan. So we need to put the web there. So just move. So distance from here to here, we know distance from here to here to be equal to 50 millimeters. So what we need to do is that, as we know that the web is 10 millimeters, so from here to here is 10 millimeters. So take a measurement, look for the middle, the midpoint, that is 25. Take 5 from here to here, this is 5 millimeters. So from here to here, okay, from here to here is 5, and then from here to here, take 5 millimeters. So take 5 millimeters, and then so we have that from here to here is also 50. So we do the same here. So we have this point, and then so we also have this point. Okay. Then so produce this line. So let it go like this, and also produce this line. Let it go backward. Then we know. So the web, the distance from here to here is 30 millimeters. So come onto this line and take a measurement of 30 millimeters to this point. So here we have 30 millimeters. So you can produce this. So produce this backward like this, and make sure this line is parallel to this line. Then draw this. So join this line. So join this line with this point, and then so you join this. So join this line. I want to make sure it's straight. So join this line with this point. Alright, so all this line that we have joined, then so this line, so you produce it wherever it touch here, so you join it with this, like this. Okay, so I need to clean this line, I need to clean this, I need to clean this, I also need to clean this line. Then I will clean this line. So let's bring out the object. So I've produced the object. Here is it. I've produced the object free-handed. I've produced it free-handed. Okay. Alright, so this is the freehand sketching of the object whose orthographic views are given. So you just need to practice. So you need to practice, look for orthographic views of objects, sketch them. So sketch them. So this object here is known as a web. It's known as a web. So we call it a web in technical drawing. So thank you for listening. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. So share this video with friends, and also make sure you are practicing. So I believe if you practice, you will know it. So this subject is not hard. So just practice it and you will get it better and better and better as time goes on. Thank you for listening. God bless you.